Have you encountered links like this only to realize that it is not clickable? Or have you seen any links that are so complex that copying it letter by letter is a tedious task? Here is a solution for you, and that solution is the Google Lens. Google Lens can recognize links and email addresses from text and use them accordingly. It will automatically detect links and enable them to be opened in a browser window. As this link you see on the tablet is just a text without a hyperlink, it is not clickable. If you tap on it, nothing will happen. As this tablet has Google Lens in it, you can take a screenshot and let Google Lens analyze it. The screenshot is now taken and we will open the Google Lens to read the link. Tap on the screenshot thumbnail to let the analysis start. The identified text will be highlighted now. You can tap on the highlight to open the context-aware menu. As the link got detected here, an option to open the website came as the first choice. Tap on it to open the link in a browser window. What if you see the link on a non-Google Lens device like a TV screen or a non-digital place like a billboard? Then you can use your mobile to take a picture and let Google Lens analyze it. This time use the camera in Google Lens to take a picture. Again, tap on the link to make it active. You can see that option to open as a website is available now. Here is another one. If you want to make a service call from the information on this box, all you need is a picture of the relevant area. Use your phone to take a picture on Google Lens and let the lens do its magic. If the active box is not in position, you can move it to the location. Now, you can tap on the relevant area to open the context-aware menu. The Open Website option is shown as it is a web link. If the email address is tapped, you can send an email using the address. If the phone number is tapped, you can directly make a call. I found this as a very useful feature and I hope this will be useful for you too. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.